Hey all, my name is Ruit and welcome to my channel. When you have a long dress or a skirt, you can easily get it short without going to the tailor. I'll show you how. This dress is very long. It gets up to my feet. I want to make it shorter, up to my knees. So I take a pin and just mark the place where I want it to be. And then I will add a seam allowance and cut all the way around. Now that I have this mark, I'll try on the other two dresses I want to make short. This dress is very nice, however it's kind of revealing in the chest area. I want to place a pin and stitch about here. I might want to shorten the sleeves also because they are very long, and even though it's handy in the office, I'm hot just wearing it right now and it's long, so I'm going to mark a pin where I want it to be, lengthwise, about here. And then I will measure seam allowance and cut all the way around to the next dress. This dress is really cute. It's also a bit long, but the hands have elastic and it's kind of cute, but I think I don't like the feeling it kind of presses on the body. If it was looser, I would have left it, but now that it's so tight, I want to seam rip everything and have the sleeves open and loose. So I'm going to mark a pin on the length that I like. And as I said before, I will add seam allowance and cut all the way through.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side.
So I'm done with the serger. I overlocked all the bottom part of the dress and now I'm going to hem it. So I'm just going to fold it and stitch over it. In the corner I'll just fold it like a small rectangle and then I'll fold it again to create a corner, a sharp corner.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
And another one is done. Another one to try on. I marked here on the neckline the point I want to have a stitch. So I'm going to do a very simple knot stitch here, just to make sure that it doesn't move.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right.
Just the point of a stitch and now it is held together and I can feel secure. So the hemming part. And now the last one is the green one. I'll need to find the exact thread. That's the annoying part when using different colors other than white and black and stuff that are mixed, so it will not be noticed. This, if I use black, it will be noticed, so I'm going to search for the right thread.
You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's
Now, bobbin. If I'm being lazy and I don't want to make a bobbin specifically for this green thread, I can sew like this instead of like this, where I can see the hem. I can sew from the other side, and that way the green thread will be shown here and the black one from the bottom will be shown here. So that way I don't have to change the bobbin thread from black to green. Very nice.
my love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say